Mga kapok, welcome back sa hashtag Walk with Lan, where we spill the tea on Philippine politics without the sugar coating. Yan ano po kasi nag-iipon po tayo para sa pangkotse natin, kaya suportahan niyo po kami ha. Okay. Ngayon, inuubo pa po ako. Mag-send na po kayo ng dollars. Okay, today, oh boy, it's a scorcher ha. Wala kalusot, Risa. Si Senador Riza Ontiveros, the self-proclaimed guardian ng bayan, nahuli 3 billion pesos di umano sa budget insertion sa 2025 national budget. At sinong nagbigay ng resibo? Si Katunying, ang tunay na hero ng katotohanan. Pero wait, deny pa more si Riza. Is this hypocrisy level, expert, or smoke and mirrors? Simpleng kwentuhan tayo today like tita sa kanto, pero with facts na hindi mo makakalimutan. Hit that like button if you're ready to expose the real deal. Let's dive in. Okay mga kaibigan, imagine this It's October 2025. The national budget for next year is supposed to be a roadmap to progress. Okay, talagang national budget for next year is supposed to be our roadmap to progress. Roads, schools, healthcare, pero parang magic show sa Senate Poof! Biglang lumabas ang 142 billion pesos na insertions, secret funds na idinagdag sa bicameral committee. Walang public scrutiny at sinong nahulihan ng 3 billion? Walang iba kundi si Riza Hontiveros. O kwentuhan natin mga kaibigan from the top. Remember July 2024? Si Riza mismo ang nag-alarma. Multi-billion pesos insertions di umano. Dapat transparent ang BICAM. Siya ang lioness laban sa corruption, calling out hyper-local projects na parang pork barrel 2.0. Fast forward to December 2024, the 2025 GOB gets ratified. And boom Senate record shows insertions under her name. Di umano. Magkano? 3 billion pesos for flood control. Infrastructure, pero wait, talagang she voted no. Hindi pumirma. That's her story, mga kaibigan. Pero enter Katunying Anthony Taberna, the Radio King na hindi natatakot sa mga malalaking pangalan, mga kaibigan. Last week sa kanyang show, naglabas siya ng resibo. Actual BICAM docs line items na link to Hontiveros office, merong resibo. Sabi niya, with the signature, Okay, it's like watching a detective reveal the killer's alibi cracks. Bakit ba? Risa, you were the one preaching transparency. Tapos ikaw mismo ang may secret sauce. Parang diet guro na nahuli sa Jollibee, drive-thru guilty pleasure match. But seriously Youth Squad, this isn't just chismis, this is our money. Biruin mo magkano? 3 billion pesos could fund 300,000 scholarships or fix flood-prone schools in Tondo, Maynila. Instead, inserted into pet projects, Katunying didn't just drop a bomb, he lit the fuse. Okay, mga kaibigan, grabe na nangyayari ngayon. Now, let's give props where due. Si Katunying, the man, the myth, the resibo machine. Mga kawok, if Deo Macalma were here, he'd say, this is journalism at its rawest. Facts over flap. Katunying been at it for years, exposing Sara Duterte's book scandals, calling out Duque's PhilHealth mess. Pero this pick Tunying, mga kaibigan. Okay, picture him si studio, documents scattered like confetti. Hindi fake news, sabi niya. Senate Hansards, BICAM reports, public records lahat. He breaks it down. 700 million pesos for flood projects in specific districts. 2.3 billion for community development na linked to allies. And get this, despite Riza's no votes, her fingerprints, magkano? Talagang naman, backroom deals that count. Katunying's not just a host, he's our modern day hero, pen a sword, Mic as megaphone, mga kaibigan. Okay, while others play safe, ha? Tunying's out here like Batman, ha? I'm the resibo you deserve. Okay, while others play safe, Tunying out's here like Batman. I'm here, the resibo you deserve. Imagine if your TikTok fave expose your fave influencers scam. That's the vibe. He's relatable. No ivory tower. Cross-reference with Phil News reports. October 3, 2025. Risa denies, but no counter resibo yet. Who's got the receipt? Huh? Tunying das. Ay, nako, talaga naman, mga kaibigan. Alright, fair play ha. Let's hear the other side. Si Riza, hindi ako pumirma. Bumoto ng no ako sa controversial budget. True ha, per Senate records. She even explained her dissent sa Philippine Star. Too many insertions, lack of transparency, sound noble, di ba? Pero hold up, kwentuhan tayo deeper. Okay ha, Deyu style ha. If she voted no, bakit may 3 billion pesos na may kanyang shadow ha? Bycam insertions happen in the dark. Secret meetings, no minutes. Risa herself called for live streaming Bycam sa July 2025. Saying dapat public ang process. Hypocrisy, di ba? Preach water, drink wine, or worse, did she know and let it slide for allies? Lacson exposed na almost all senators have insertions. Risa's not alone, but her denial feels selective. Remember her Sara Duterte clash over 10 million pesos book budget. She was first then. Where's that far now? It's like saying, I didn't cheat while holding the other person's lipstick. Susa, Risa spilled the tea para sa mga kabataan. This is why we stand accountability, not blind loyalty. If she's clean, release her own resibo. Until then, Katunying's got the edge, mga kaibigan. Ayan, kaya nga dapat, talaga nating purihin sila Marcolet, sila Katunying. Nako, zoom out tayo, mga kaibigan. This isn't isolated. Philippine politics is a web of controversies. Remember, yung 2024 OVP's Bookgate, Risa grilled Sara for 10 million pesos on isang kaibigan. Hypocrisy, hypocrisy talaga, no? Talagang hypocritical match. Now with her own insertions or PhilHealth's 15 billion theft, rumors against her. Ay nako, nakakapagod na, mga kaibigan. Yung mga naglilinis-linisan na mga politiko dyan. Yan, sila Hontiveros at iba pa. Fast forward tayo. Magkano yan? 142.7 billion pesos total insertions. Kung ito ang mga ginagamit sa mga ospital, sa mga infrastructure, sa mga education, napakaganda ng Pilipinas. Ito pa pumunta si Bongbong Marcos sa Cebu, magbebenta ng bigas. Totoo ba yun, mga kaibigan? Parang hindi naman natin ginagamit ang ating mga utak, mga kaibigan. Ito flood controls, the questionable infrastructure, no overlapping. Okay, Bycam is the black box of democracy. As Deo Macalma would dissect, it's undemocratic. Secret facts over public good. Your tuition hikes, blame the pork. Floods in your barangay. Insertions gone wrong. Katunying's expose shines light. Favor him because he's fighting for us, not the elite. Ay, nako talaga, wag mananalo na si VP Sara Duterte sa 2028, mga kaibigan. Imagine a Pinoy fairy tale, Si Risa Ontiveros as the queen who bans dragons, then hatches one. Tunying, Katunying. Anthony Taverna, the bard who sings the truth. If you were senator, would you insert or expose, mga kaibigan? Okay, mga Gen Z at Alpha, this is your lane. Politics isn't boring. It's a Squid Game with real stakes. Risa's denial, like a K-drama, kontrabida, gaslighting. It wasn't me. Katunying, the side character who becomes MVP with plot armor. Ay, nako, insertions are like hidden in-app purchases. Sneaky, costly, and your parents, as taxpayers, foot the bill. Bakit dapat care? Because your future jobs, climate fights, lahat affected. If Riza's clean, why not collab with Tunying for a Recibo Rose episode? I'd watch that over Netflix. Inside, be like Tunying, question everything, vote smart, not starstruck. My tito once said, politics is showbiz with consequences. True that. Favorite truth tellers, call out fakers, mga kaibigan. So, mga kawoka, wala ka lusot, Riza, Hontiveros. Recibo speaks louder than denials. Shout out to Katunying. Salamat sa laban. What's next? Push for BICAM transparency bill. Youth, your mga kabataan, your voice, share this. Tag your reps, join the convo. Final thought natin mga kaibigan, in the arena of ideas, facts are our gladiators. Stay woke, stay fighting. Thanks for watching for a couple of minutes of real talk. No filler. Subscribe. Bell on. Mga kababayan, sa panahon ng kasinungalingan, ang katotohanan ang unang sinisikil. Pero kasama kayo, kaya nating ipaglaban ang tama. Sumali na sa aking YouTube channel membership. Tulungan ninyo akong magkakotse. Tulungan ninyo akong manatiling malaya, walang takot, at laging handang lumaban para sa bayan. Salamat sa suporta mga kawok. Sumali na sa hashtag #WalkWithLan, YouTube channel membership at maging bahagi ng laban. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!